Hello and welcome to VR Sketch. In this tutorial I'd like to show you how to use the history tool. To do that, first I'm going to create some geometry using the rectangle tool and then push-pull tool. There we go. Okay, to use the history tool, hold down the menu button, go all the way across to the left and select. Then you'll see we have our history up here. So this is the most recent action we did. This is the first action. And in this file we've only done 3 tasks. So let's select the first one and you'll see it'll undo. We can undo the next one, like so. Undo all the way to the beginning. There we go. We also have redo, which is down here. So now we can redo our history back to where we were, or undo it again. And that's it for the history tool. Thank you very much for watching.